Hello, in this video you're going to learn how to disassemble and reassemble bolt on Mosin Nagant rifle. To remove the bolt from the rifle, you open the bolt, slide it, next step pull the trigger and slide the bolt out. Next thing you do, you grab this part up here, which is a cocking knob. You pull that part a little bit and then twist it to the left. Next step is to grab bolt head and simply remove it. Next step is to grab a guide rod connector and simply slide this off. Alright. To remove the firing pin, you can simply use guide rod as a screwdriver. You point that firing pin down and simply unscrew that by twisting it to the right. To prevent firing pin from flying out, you can simply support that firing pin. You can put it against the table and keep twisting this thing. Alright, then you slide this spring and that's basically it. So that's your Mosin Nagant bolt. To reassemble that, alright, now we're gonna reassemble the Mosin Nagant bolt. Basically just keep going until it stops. Alright, bolt is reassembled. Now, every time when you take your bolt apart, you have to check firing pin protrusion. To do that, again, you twist the bolt to the left, that back part. Make sure it's all nice and tight, no gaps, and then simply grab this tool up here, which comes with the Mosin Nagant. And you have to make sure that your firing pin is slightly touching this part but not touching that one. So to measure the firing pin protrusion, you put this thing up here and simply slide it and then you put this part up here, make sure that there is a gap. So here it should be no gap, but again, that tool must stay flat. You should be able to slide this thing back and forth. But here you must have a gap. If firing pin is touching that part, it means that it's extending too much. And then when you confirm that firing pin protrusion is okay, you twist that part right there, and now you're ready to slide your bolt back on your rifle.